Welcome to the channel and welcome to Las Vegas. Here are 10 tips to make your time here go fabulously. Be wary of early check-in fees. Check-in time is 4 o'clock in Las Vegas. If you try and get in your room earlier, they're going to charge you between $20 and $100. Here at Harrah's, for example, which is a pretty much budget property, they want $50 to get you in a room an hour before. Leave your bags with the bellhop. Go and do something less expensive instead. Beware of ATM fees. At pretty much every single casino, you're going to be charged a minimum of $10 to get your hands on your own money. And if you do need to use an ATM, come to Casino Royale. It's opposite the Mirage in Caesar's Palace. Only $3 here. Make sure you sign up for players cards as well. MGM and Caesars, just go to the rewards desk. They'll send you an email with links to free rooms and lots more. You just do a little bit of gambling. And at Casino Royale, they give you $20 as well. Don't take anything off anybody. You'll see guys handing out free CDs, and once you take the CD, they'll say, hey, come back and I'll autograph it. They ask you your name, they autograph it with your name on, then they ask you for a tip. If you don't give them a tip, then they start going mad at you as if to say, well, I've just ruined the CD because I've signed it. So you kind of feel obligated to give them some money. Don't take anything from anyone. That includes bangles from monks that are all fake, bracelets from little Chinese ladies who say that they'll bring you good luck. It's all nonsense. Keep your hands in your pockets if you need to. Do not take a single thing. You'll see people on the strip handing out these little porn slapper cards, as we call them. They have pictures of pretty much naked women on, and it says on there, $200, get this girl to your room. First of all, prostitution's illegal in Las Vegas. Secondly, the girl on the picture is not the girl who will turn up at your room. And third, the $200 it mentions on the ticket, that's just the delivery fee. That's to get it to your room. If you want to do any more, expect to pay 5 times that. And if you don't pay the $200, expect a knock on your hotel room door from the heavies. Here's one predominantly for the fellas, although some girls are this bad as well. Don't go all in on your first night. I know you've been saving up for ages. I know you couldn't wait to get to Las Vegas. I know you want to drink the place dry. Nobody's ever seen guys like us. We're going to ruin Vegas. No, Vegas is going to ruin you. If you go all in on that first night, you're going to ruin the next 3 days while you try and recover. It's boiling hot. You don't need to down 30 pints and 20 shots of vodka. Take it easy. And here's another one for the first night. Don't blow all your bankroll on the first night on the slot machines. It's so easy to keep feeding money in. You think you're gonna win, you've come so close to getting the big bonus spin and it just happened to happen, but it'll happen on the next spin. No, it won't. I had a friend come with me once to Vegas who blew all his money on night number 1 and spent the next 4 nights living out of a carrier bag. Now, if you come into Las Vegas in the summer, and I'm talking late April to late September, the temperature is about as hot as walking on the sun. So make sure sunscreen all the time. Duck in and out of shops if you need to. If you're down by the pool, please make sure you wear your sunscreen. Keep hydrated, keep drinking water. If you're having alcoholic drinks, have a drink of water in between each of those drinks, please. Whatever happens, do not get sunstroke. Sunstroke is a trip to the ER and it's a 4-day recovery, so it'll absolutely blow your vacation. Whatever you do, do not try and cross Las Vegas Boulevard on foot. Whether you try and run or walk, it doesn't matter. You're not going to make it. Let me show you how wide the lanes are. And if you do make it by any sort of a miracle, you're going to get a ticket for jaywalking. But if you don't make it, you're simply going to die. You'll be hit by a car. Imagine the tales that people will tell about you. Oh, he went to Las Vegas and died. Oh, was that with 10 prostitutes and a big bag of cocaine? No, he got hit by a car. And I see people doing this every single night. It's not worth it. Go over one of the pedestrian bridges. They're everywhere. Here's another tip. Don't buy anything, and I mean anything, from the hotel gift shops. Okay, especially alcohol or bags of chips, crisps as we say in the UK, or key rings, anything. They mark up the product so much, and also you'll find with the alcohol, they don't even price it, because what they do is, depending on the time of day, is what price you pay. Get yourself to a Walgreens or a CVS, they're everywhere on the strip and they sell everything. Watch out for the timeshare people. They'll say to you, oh, it only takes an hour, come and watch the timeshare and then we'll give you free tickets to any show of your choice. It actually takes about 5 hours. And to get out of there without spending any money is hard work. Just avoid it. You don't need that on your holiday. If you're going to get a picture with a showgirl or one of the cartoon characters that you'll see dressed up and down the strip, fine. They're not doing anything wrong, but make sure you agree a price before you take the photo. It's not unheard of to be asked for $100 each to get the picture, okay? And you're taking it on your own camera as well. Don't try and run off either, because they will chase you down the strip for their money. If you're playing the slots, and good luck if you are, always make sure you hit max bet. Because if you were to get the bonus feature and you haven't hit the max bet button, the feature won't count. Whether you're in or out of your hotel room, always leave the do not disturb sign on your door, unless you want the maids to make up your room. It's better to look like the room's occupied all the time than not. And also, don't forget, when you get back into your room and you're on the other side of the door, don't forget, deadlock your door. So another tip for you, and it's not really a tip, it's more of a warning of a brand new scam that's going on in Las Vegas right now. It's also happening in other major cities around the world, and it's called the rideshare scam. How does it work? Well, unscrupulous people are buying stickers for their cars that say Uber, Lyft, Bolt. They stick them on the side of the cars, then they drive into the rideshare areas. They motion you over. You go over to speak to them and they say, are you waiting for an Uber? And you say, yeah. And they say, oh, well, there's been a big accident just down the road and everybody's getting cancelled. But if you jump in, I'll take you wherever you want to go and I'll do it for the same price. So that's where you need to stop, because it will flag up on your app if there's any accidents or any problems. But the problem is, you get into that car, you're not insured for a start. Secondly, they could take you anywhere, charge you anything. Third, you get in there drunk, they could take you away somewhere, dump you on an industrial estate and rob you. Ladies, imagine what might happen to you. You could end up going anywhere, being jumped by a load of guys, getting raped, murdered, who knows. Now, I might be over-exaggerating there a little bit, but there's a reason for the official app on Uber, and that's because you've got to go through a process of being checked out before they give you an Uber driver's badge. So please, 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 don't even speak to anybody that is Uber unless the registration matches up and unless they can give you your name and you can find out their name, which should match up on the app. Please be aware of this one. So I do hope these quick 10 tips have helped you. Please like and subscribe. Check out the channel for more tips and more videos from around the world. Thanks for watching.